Hi everyone, this is Tech Talking again with a review of an action camera. This is an action camera from a company called Roxcore. It's not a very expensive camera, it's very cheap, under $50 sometimes, in some places it's under $30 camera. The main features of this camera is a 2-inch LCD attached on the back. It's wide angle 90 degree. The resolution is 720p, which is also not very high, but it's 720p 1280 into 720 on 30 Hz, and it also supports VGA 640 into 480 30 Hz. The video format is AVI, and it also captures still pictures from 1.3 megapixel up to 5 megapixel. Also supports USB 2.0. It has a 900 milliampere battery, which gives you around 70 minutes. That's what the box says, but once I use it, then I will let you know how accurate is this information. The charging time for charging the battery is from 3 to 5 hours. Sometimes it depends on the charger as well. And the operating system it supports is both Windows and Mac operating system. And the size is 59 into 41 into 30 millimeter. So let's unbox this camera and see what's inside the boxes. So we have these straps for, I don't know what's gonna use it, but I'm sure it's something we are gonna use. So it has two kinds of straps. One is with the soft side, and the other is the sticky side. So some tools for mounting the camera, also the USB cable attached to connect with your Mac or operating system using this cable, or charging the batteries as well, I guess. So like I said, the mounting tools and more tools for so that's actually makes this is all like together a tool system that we can use. The good thing is with this price they have given like so many gadgets. Normally, like if you buy the GoPro and these expensive cameras, doesn't come with such tools, but this company, Roxcore, they have like this clever method of sending the tools with. Also, one of the big, in my opinion, is the waterproof case. It's a 30 millimeter waterproof case, and you can use it inside water up to 30 meters. So the case comes inside. And some manuals, we don't need that, so let's open that as well. So that's how the case removes. So this is the case, and that's the camera. So it's a brand new, if you can see, I haven't removed anything yet. The screen, 2-inch LCD screen, the on-off button. I'm gonna have another review for how to use this, but at this moment this is like the unboxing and the different tools that you so yeah, it's quite a lot of tools in one go. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.